What if I told you that you could completely bypass months of exhausting content production and build a highly profitable, fully automated digital empire in just 24 hours? Traditional video editing technology is officially obsolete. Spending hours cutting clips, searching for stock footage, and syncing audio is a thing of the past. The faceless content economy is accelerating faster than ever, and in 2026, speed and scale are the absolute ultimate competitive advantages. Welcome back to AI Tech. Today I am putting everything on the line. I am going to push the absolute limits of VideoGen's artificial intelligence to launch a hyper-specialized, faceless YouTube channel from absolute zero right before the sun sets. I'm pulling back the curtain on a high-stakes 24-hour sprint to see if pure automation can construct a sustainable, cash-flowing niche empire. We are going to shatter traditional content bottlenecks. I will show you exactly how to leverage an automated workflow to generate highly specialized scripts and cinematic visuals simultaneously. Don't waste weeks on a single upload when you can engineer an entire month's worth of high-retention, high-profit content in a single afternoon using the sheer power of AI. If you want to dominate a niche without ever showing your face or buying an expensive camera, this is your ultimate blueprint for rapid scaling. Start the clock. Let's build an empire. The countdown has officially started. 24 hours on the clock to prove that traditional content creation barriers are officially dead. But before we generate a single frame of video, we need a battle plan. In the faceless channel game, your niche dictates your revenue. You can get 1 million views in a low-value niche and make pennies, or you can get 10,000 views in a high CPM niche and make thousands of dollars. We are targeting a high CPM market. I'm analyzing current market gaps and identifying areas where the automated competition is still weak. We are looking for topics where advertisers pay premium rates. Think SaaS software, wealth building, or emerging technologies. Our objective is crystal clear: to construct a fully operational digital asset that generates revenue while we sleep. We aren't just making videos, we are building automated salesmen. To do this, we need a tool that doesn't just assist us, but entirely replaces an entire production team. That is where our secret weapon comes in. Let me introduce you to the engine of this operation. Welcome to the command center. This is VideoGen. We are integrating their latest capabilities to handle the heavy lifting. Watch closely because this workflow is going to blow your mind. Usually, you would write a script in one program, record voiceover in another, search for stock footage in a massive database, and then spend hours editing it all together in Premiere Pro. VideoGen destroys that process. I simply input a single prompt into their script-to-video module. In seconds, the AI writes a highly optimized, retention-focused script. But it doesn't stop there. VideoGen simultaneously curates and sequences cinematic visual footage to match the exact context of every single sentence. It is reading the emotion and the subject matter of the text and pulling the perfect high-definition clips. Now let's talk about audio. The days of robotic, monotone AI voices that make viewers instantly click away are over. We are customizing the AI voice models to ensure brand identity. We need a voice that sounds natural, authoritative, and deeply professional. This specific voice model builds trust immediately. It pauses, it breathes, it emphasizes the right syllables. Furthermore, we are establishing a rapid feedback loop. As we preview the video, VideoGen allows us to adjust the pacing of the visuals with a single click. If a scene feels too slow, we instantly swap the B-roll or change the visual style from realistic to something completely different to retain viewer attention. The AI adapts the display pacing based on what works best for specialized audience engagement. We have the formula. Now it is time for the massive 24-hour sprint. Generating one video is great, but to dominate a niche, we need an overwhelming volume of high-quality content. We are going to batch process an entire month's worth of content in a single afternoon. Think about the monumental amount of time saved here. By leveraging VideoGen's automated B-roll selection engine, we are bypassing hours upon hours of manual searching. We don't have to worry about copyright strikes or licensing fees. VideoGen ensures every single clip is safe and perfectly matched. It is acting as a tireless director and editor working at hyperspeed. And here is where we scale the empire beyond our borders. Why limit our reach to just the English-speaking world? With a single click, we deploy native language translation features. VideoGen automatically translates the script, generates a new voiceover in a fluent foreign language, and adjusts the captions. In minutes, our single niche channel has just expanded into the global market. We are literally multiplying our potential revenue streams with zero extra production effort. Having 30 incredible videos means nothing if nobody clicks on them. Discovery is the final hurdle. We are utilizing predictive analytics and AI design tools to generate titles and thumbnails that outcompete manual designers in click-through rates. We need extreme contrast, bold text, and psychological triggers that force the viewer to click. We automate the entire upload and publishing sequence. We schedule our videos to drop exactly during peak global viewership hours. Consistency is the primary signal to the YouTube algorithm that this is a serious, authoritative channel. But views alone don't build an empire. We need monetization from day one, even with 0 subscribers. This is the true secret to the 24-hour profit challenge. We are seamlessly connecting this anonymous, high-value content to hyper-profitable affiliate marketing pipelines. Inside every video, our AI voiceover delivers a powerful call to action, directing viewers to a specific solution. We transform passive viewers into highly qualified leads, generating massive affiliate commissions without ever waiting for YouTube AdSense approval. Time is up. 24 hours later, the empire is live. Let's look at the metrics. We are already seeing the algorithm respond positively to our high-frequency, high-quality upload schedule. Impressions are scaling because the content is hyper-optimized for viewer retention. Let's do the math on the ultimate efficiency audit. To produce 35-minute, highly edited, narrated videos using traditional methods would take an experienced editor conservatively 150 hours. At standard freelance rates, that's thousands of dollars in capital. Using VideoGen, we achieved this in under 6 hours of actual active work. The time saved is astronomical, and the projected return on investment is unparalleled. We have successfully replaced an entire creative agency with a single AI subscription. This isn't just a one-off experiment, this is a replicable blueprint. The roadmap from here is clear. We take this exact 24-hour operational model and clone it. We scale it into a massive multi-channel network across a dozen different niches, requiring minimal human oversight. The system builds the content drives the traffic generates the revenue. The landscape has shifted. Those who adapt to AI automation will build empires. Those who stick to manual editing will be left completely behind. If you are ready to stop trading your time for views and want to start building your own automated digital assets, you need to get your hands on this technology right now before your niche becomes saturated. I have secured an exclusive direct access link to VideoGen for the AMAAITECH community. Go directly to the pinned comment right beneath this video. Click that link to start your free trial, set up your very own automation dashboard today, and begin building your 24-hour empire. Don't wait. Check the pinned comment now. Make sure to hit that like button, Subscribe to AMAAITECH for more cutting-edge AI strategies, and I will see you in the next video.